class 4. How are you all? I hope you all are fine and safe at your home. So class, today is 6th of September 2021 and the day is Monday. Fine? Okay. So yesterday we studied about the concept of HCF by using division method. Isn't class? Very good. So let's take one example of it, which is 12 and 20. Look class, I have two numbers and I want to find HCF by division method. So what would I do? Who will tell me? Yes Hanan, you tell me. I have two numbers. The first is 12 and the second is 20. And I want to find HCF by division method. Yes? Okay, very good. I will write both the numbers at a time. Like this. So this is the way to represent HCF by using division method. Very good. We will write both the numbers like this and separated by a comma like this. Okay. Now the first step of this question, I will find the number which is divisible on both of them. Yes, who will tell me which number that I will write which is divisible on both of them? Yes, Abdul Rahman, you tell me. Very good. I will start from number 2. G class, why I will start from number 2? Very good. According to the rule of divisibility, we have discussed if the unit place ended with 0, 2, 4, 6 and 8. 6 and 8, 0, 2, 4, 6 and 8. We will simply divide the given number on 2. Okay? So, if you look, we have 12, which is the unit place is 2. And we have another number which is 20. We have also a unit place is 0. So, both numbers having common divisor which is 2. So, that's why I will write 2. Fine. So, by how many times I will multiply the number to get 12? Who will tell me? Yes, Abu Bakr? Very good. 2 6 times. 2 6 times. I will write 6 here. Fine. Now, Abdul Basit, you tell me by how many times I will multiply the number to get 20? Very good. 10. 2 10 times 20. Is it clear class? Fine. So what is my next step? What would I do? Who will tell me? Yes Sadim, you tell me. Very good. I will divide again. By which number I will divide class? Very good. I will find the common number which is divisible on both of them. So, कौन सा number होगा जो दोनों पे divide हो जाए? Very good. If you look, the first number we have after dividing 12 is 6. And the second number after dividing 20 we have 10. So, both numbers are divisible by 2. होते हैं दोनों divide 2 पर? Very good. Now we will write 2 here. Now how many times I will multiply the number to get this result, which is 6? Who will tell me? Yes Ibrahim, you tell me. Very good. 2 3 times 6. 2 3 times 6. Now numbers are different. ठीक है? In both numbers we have nothing in common. Both are prime. 3 is a prime number because it have only 2 factors which I told you, and 5 is also a prime number which having 2 factors only. So both numbers are prime. So we will stop here. Fine. Now we will just multiply the numbers which are common in the end. So here you look. We will write HCF of 12 and 20, which is common, multiplication of common numbers. यही common थी ना इसमें? I will write 2 into 2, which is 4. Why I will not write the numbers of 3 and 5 in multiplication form when I will write 2 into 2? Very good, because 3 and 5 are not common. ठीक है, वो दोनों common कुछ नहीं है उसमें. There is nothing common in it. Both numbers are prime. So we will just multiply the numbers which are common. So common कौन से थे? 2 and 2. We will multiply the numbers in the end to find HCF of 12 and 20, which is 4. So class, this is all which is related to your previous lesson, which is HCF by using division method. Fine. Now today we have a next topic which is co-prime numbers. Co-prime numbers. G, who will tell me what are co-prime numbers? We have discussed the term after this topic. So class, we have a topic is co-prime numbers. Co-prime numbers. Fine. So what is mean by first of all prime number? Who will tell me what are prime numbers? Yes, think up. Yes, Sadeem, you tell me what are prime numbers? Very good. Prime numbers are those numbers having 2 factors only. That is 1 and itself. Prime numbers क्या होते हैं class? जिसमें 2 factors होते हैं only. 1 and itself. Fine. Now today we have a topic which is co-prime numbers. So first of all you have to know what is co-prime numbers. Fine. So for co-prime numbers are those numbers in which 2 numbers which have only 1 as their common factor. Okay? 1 as their common factor. आपके पास एक ही common factor आना चाहिए. वो क्या होंगे? Co-prime numbers. Fine. For example, I have 2 numbers 9 and 16, and I want to find the co-prime numbers in between. So what would I do? I will write all the factors one by one of the given number, which is 9 and 16. So according to first number we have 9. Okay, so first of all who will tell me what is factor? Factor क्या होते हैं? Think up, I told you many times class, factors. Factors are simply the numbers which we will divide by another number having no remainder in the end. Okay? For example, I have a number which is 12 and I want to divide it by 4. I will put the number which is 12 inside the division and 4 as a divisor. Is this the way to represent 12 divided by 4? Very good. Now by how many times I will multiply the number to get 12? Very good. 3 times. I will write 3 times 12. will write 3 is a factor of 12. ठीक है, 3 क्या होगा, उसका फैक्टर होगा. So by this example I hope you will clear the concept of factor. Now I'm going back to factors which are 9 and 16, and I want to find co-prime numbers. So first of all I will write the number which is 9, and I want to write all the factors of 9. So who will tell me what are the factors of 9? Yes, Hadia? Very good. 1, 3 and 9. These are the factors of 9. As I told you class, for factors we have discussed 3 properties. The first one is 1 is a factor of every number. Fine. 1 is a factor of every number. The second property for factors is every number is a factor of itself. Every number is a factor of itself. Clear? And the third property for factor is factors are unlimited. उनको हम काउंट नहीं कर सकते, ठीक है, वो अनलिमिटेड होते हैं. Now we have discussed already the factors properties. First is every number is a factor of itself. 1 is a factor of every number, and the third is factors are unlimited. ठीक है. Now we have written all the factors of 9. Now it's turn to write of 16, all the factors of 16. Who will tell me what are the factors of 16? Yes, Husna, you tell me what are the factors of 16? Very good. 1, 2, 4, 8 and itself. Because I told you 1 is a factor of every number. 2 is a factor of 16 because 2 8 times 16. Fine. Now 16 is not divisible by 3. Exactly divisible nahi, it having some remainder. So we will say it is not a factor of that one. ठीक है. Now we have 4. For 4 class, you know 4 times 16. ठीक है. So we will write 4 is a factor of 16. Now moving to the next, which is 8. So how many times I will multiply 8 to get 16? Very good. 8 2 times 16. Fine. And after 8 we have no any number which we will write as a factor of 16. Okay. Now in the end we have 16, which is itself. 16 is a factor of itself. So according to 16 we have 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. 5 factors are in total. And we have 9. For 9 we have 3 factors. So for co-prime numbers we will write in the end extract common numbers in between of 2. ठीक है. Extract क्या करेंगे हम? Common numbers. I will circle the number which are common in it. First of all, one is in this number and 1 is also in this number. So I will circle the number. Now let's circle another one which is common in between of 2. So if you look, there is no any number which is common in between of 2. Fine. So I will write in the end which is co-prime numbers. Co-prime number of 9 and 16 is 1. we have only one number as the common factor in between of two. So हमने क्या कहा था, अगर हमारे पास एक कॉमन फैक्टर आ जाता है तो हम उसको क्या कहते हैं, को प्राइम नंबर्स. ठीक है, वो क्या होते हैं, को प्राइम नंबर्स. If we have more than two common numbers, so we will write no. We will write no. Let's take an example. I have another one which is 4 and 8. I have two numbers 4 and 8. I will write first of all the factors one by one. So the first number I have is 4. G. What are the factors of 4? Who will tell me? Yes, Hamza, you tell me what are the factors of 4? Very good. As I told you, one is a factor of every number. Fine. Now by how many times I will multiply 2 to get 4? 2 is divisible, exactly divisible by 4. Yes. 2 times 4. So 2 is a factor of 4. Factor के लिए हमें क्या कंडीशन चाहिए थी? The number which we will divide and we get in the end is 0. जिससे हमें रिमाइंडर क्या मिले? 0. ठीक है? So वो नंबर उसका क्या होगा? फैक्टर. Now 1 is a factor of every number which I told you the property of factor. 2 is also a factor. Now is 3 is a factor of 4? No. So in the end we have 4 itself. 4 is a factor of itself. As you know, 4 1 times 4. ठीक है? So 4 is also a factor of itself. Now we have another number which is 8. So what would we do? How many factors that we have for number 8? Who will tell me? Yes, Ramin, you tell me. Very good. 1, 2, 4 and 8. Okay? 1, 2, 4 and 8. If you look class, as I told you, 1 is a factor of 8 because I told you 1 is a factor of every number. Fine? Now, move to the next which is 2. So should I say or should I write 2 is a factor of 8? Very good, because 2 4 times is 8. So 2 क्या होगा इसका फैक्टर. Now जब आप एक नंबर को आप डिवाइड करते हो, फॉर एग्जांपल I will divide 8 by 2. So as you know 2 4 times 8. When you divide one number you get two factors from it. The first is 2 and the other is 4. 2 4 and in the end you have 8 which is itself. So how many factors of 8 class? 4. 1 2 4 and 8. Fine. In the end we will extract the numbers which are common. If you look class, we have 1 which is common. I will extract it, I will circle it, and there is another number which is common in between of 2 is 2. Fine. Now we have another number which is 4. So how many numbers are common in between of two numbers? Very good. 3. So हमने कोप्राइम के लिए क्या पढ़ा था? What we have discussed to satisfy the condition of coprime numbers, girls? Very good. We have discussed for coprime numbers we have only one as a common factor. But here we have 3 common numbers. So we will write in the end 4 and 8 are not co-prime numbers. ठीक है, जिसमें एक से ज़्यादा numbers common होंगे वो co-prime नहीं होते. So we will write 4 and 8 are not co-prime numbers. Okay, so class, this is all. You have to practice co-prime numbers on copy. If you find any difficulty related to this concept, you can ask me. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.